Hi, good morning guys. It's 4:47 here in my location. This is Wonder C. I'm going to show you kung paano ko ginawa yung aking silent live stream. So some of my friends are asking kung paano ko siya ginawa. Okay, in a minute, I'll show you kung paano. Hi guys, so nandito na tayo sa StreamYard. So kung bago kayo, wala kayong StreamYard, just search StreamYard and go to streamyard.com. StreamYard. Okay, so here, let's go create broadcast and go to our Wonder Z channel, to your YouTube channel. Let's just put testing for our title and put it public, create broadcast. So yesterday I took to some people na kahit daw hindi paid user ng StreamYard, is available pa rin yung ginagamit ko sa aking live streaming. Ayan. So usually, mute ko yung microphone and saka camera. Okay, let's go enter Broadcast Studio. Okay, here. So ang ginagawa ko is I'm going to share screen. Chrome tab. So, meron tayong highway waterfalls. Ayan, isi-share natin yung falls na ginamit ko yesterday. Okay, natapos na siya. I-play natin ulit. So, always click loop para tuloy-tuloy yung play kahit ilang oras kayong nag-silent live stream. And full screen para hindi makikita yung nasa gilid. Oh, yan. Nandyan na. Let's go back to, yan, pagkita mo sa StreamYard, nakikita mo siya. Full screen. So, let's go to the banners dito sa right side. So, this one, let's talk about the video. So, this video is playing from my website. So, yan. Nandito po yan. Sa akin website po yan. Pero, ano po siya, unlisted. Naka-unlisted po yan para hindi tayo mapalo. You can also use video from your baby channel. I would say baby channel sa inyong mga kapatera na channel. Ayan. Let's go back to StreamYard. So, punta tayo sa banner. Let's create one. I have, like, today is Wednesday. Ayan. Happy Wednesday, everyone. You just scroll across bottom ticker. And let's show that. And there you go. Ayan, yan. Yun yung ano. Yun lang ang sa banner. Punta kayo sa banner, mga langga. So, for the brand, you can select your color. Let's do some green. Super bright naman yan. You can change the color. Or something blue. Ayan, something blue. So, for a theme, you can choose bubble, minimal. Siguro alam nyo na yan. Let's go talk about it na lang. So, default. Let's go. I'll put a comment. I would say good morning. And I want this comment to show it in my streaming. There you go. So, we're using the theme default, which is sometimes it's too much. Ang laki kasi. Tapos minimal, wala lang. I like the bubble or the block. So, yan lang mga langga. And if you want the countdown, meron din ditong video clip sa baba na pwede natin gamitin for countdown. Ayan siya. Yan, pwede nyo yung i-click. So, ano pa ba? Yung background. Yan, pwede nyo siyang gamitin din ng background. I think that's all for this morning, mga langga. Kung meron po kayong katanungan, don't forget to comment below. Kapag bago kayo sa aking channel, please like, subscribe, and click the bell button para ma-notify kayo sa aking mga new videos. Maraming salamat. Bye!